In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Now you can operate it from here. So to go back to standard keyboard, click at the top left corner. And let's begin. To use Clipboard, you need to copy any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. But now my favorite part, because if you want to paste it later on, you can click on Clipboard and access your text over here. Now to paste it, click on it. To pin it, hold it and tap on pin icon at the top right corner. You can unpin it the same way. And to delete anything from your clipboard, just hold it and tap on pin icon next to the pin one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To delete text on the go, click at the bottom right corner. And to go back to standard keyboard again, at the top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!